Good morning, everyone. Today we are going to discuss the difference between real image and the virtual image. Now, what are real images? You already know that real images can be obtained on screen and virtual images cannot be obtained on screen. Let's do an activity to demonstrate this fact. Now, in order to demonstrate our activity, uh, we require a screen, and this is screen that is made up of cardboard, and a white paper is wrapped on the cardboard, and we obtain this kind of structure, and this we are calling as screen. In fact, this whiteboard can also act as screen, or even a wall, a white painted wall can also act as screen. Now, in order to demonstrate virtual images, I am taking a plain mirror. This is a plain mirror, and an object is kept in front of it. A crayon is kept in front of it, and you can see that crayon is an object, and this is an object, this is an object, and this is the image of that object. Let's make use of scale here. Scale is indicating just that key crayon is kept at a distance of 5 centimeter from the plane mirror, and you can see that the image is also forming at a distance of 5 centimeter, that will be behind the plane mirror. And if we see behind the plane mirror, in fact, if we keep this screen behind the plane mirror 5 centimeter back, we are not able to get the image. From here, it is appearing as if image is behind the mirror, but here the image, you can't see the image on the screen. Means that this is the image that cannot be obtained on screen, and this kind of image formed by the plane mirror is called as virtual image. Now let's take an convex lens. This is a convex lens, and here the object which we are taking, the object, now I am taking a convex lens, and let's see how the image is formed by this convex lens. Now if convex lens is placed in such a way that it is facing towards the object, and this is the object, the hills that you can see, they can be treated as an object. And when we see the screen, now you are able to see that you are able to see the inverted hills, and you know that the images that can be obtained on screen are real images, real and inverted images. So this is showing that convex lens produces inverted and real images, and they can be obtained on the screen. This activity you can do at your home also. Now I am taking a concave mirror, and let's produce a real image using this concave mirror. Now this is how the mirror is being placed. Mirror, that is concave mirror, is facing towards the object. This is the object. Again, hills can be taken as an object. Now in front of this mirror, I am placing a screen. So this is my screen, and you can see that no image is being formed on the screen, but gradually if I bring this screen towards the mirror, then you are able to see the image is being formed on the screen, and you can see again the inverted image is formed on the screen, a real and inverted image. So a real image is obtained on the screen, This activity clearly demonstrated